Okay folks, we got our transformer here now. This is the transformer for our whole property. So, real exciting day. It's March 18th, Saturday, 2017. So this is what we've been waiting for. We'll be hooking up the campers pretty soon. We ran it through here. Everything's looking good. There's my son's truck down there. To the left, right in front of that, is where they ran the power line. I'll give you a little glimpse of that in a second. Okay, there's the transformer up there. And this is the clearing I made for the power. It goes down there about, let's say, 1,400 feet. And then there's a junction, and then it goes all the way through them light colored trees, them trees with no leaves in the background. And it's going underground the whole way, approximately 2,400 feet. I'm sure the power company will tell me exactly how many feet, but that's about it. Real excited. Today's a big day. We've already, my parents have already applied for both of our permits for our temporary poles for construction. So we're real excited. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.